guys, my name's Alright Taz. This is Doug, my classic 500, tastefully modified. Today's video is just going to be a short one, and it's some footage of some Royal Enfields in the wild. My friend runs the Tasmanian Organic Coffee Co, and she was recently in Nepal, and she sources some of her product from a co-op in Nepal, imports it into Tasmania. It's all organic, it's all certified, it's a cool operation. And she was recently in Nepal meeting up with the farmers that grow the product, and she spent a day in Kathmandu, and there's a stack of Royal Enfields cruising the streets, available in bike hire places. Just a stack of Royal Enfields, and she sent me some photos and some footage, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I thought I'd edit it into a quick video for you guys. Guys, hope you enjoyed that. Some cool footage of some cool bikes in their natural environment. Till next time, my name's Alright Taz. I'm out.